And Armand is here chasing the fish.
Alright guys, gonna be going snorkeling and hopefully find some Nemo fish.
What a life!
What a life. What is happening guys? What is happening and welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hello live here guys, and we are just
as you see, we are in a private long-tail boat guys, and we are in Phi Phi Islands.
We made it finally.
Yeah, doing a 3-hour private long-tail boat.
As
guys.
we go, we will telling you. First one's supposed to be Monkey Beach.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. We will just tell you. You will don't hear anything now.
So guys, it looks like we made it to, well, we see some monkeys. I'm not sure there's a monkey beach, but it looks like we made it to Monkey Beach. There's 2 parts
Monkey
of Monkey Beach, guys. There's two areas of Monkey Beach. So guys, we made it to the Monkey Beach.
We see some monkey.
There is few monkeys around. We'll show you them guys, but like there's 2 parts of the Monkey Beach. There's this one which you're literally in water, as you can see. Right guys, let's go find some monkeys.
Oh, it's gonna kill him now.
So guys, that was amazing. That was amazing. Like, you know, obviously beautiful monkeys, but look how many people's there. Come.
Too many.
So guys, we made it to the second destination, which is
Viking
Cave.
Viking Cave.
Viking Cave, guys. We made it to the let us say Viking Cave. Yeah, Viking Cave. The cave is right behind us. I'm gonna go snorkel, go see some beautiful fishes.
So many fish.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
And is afraid.
Too much. I can't go swim.
Yeah, but I think she will get in with a vest with time, you know?
I might have pineapple instead. Because the captain's cutting.
Yeah, he's cutting the pineapple there.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy, literally ready like a fish. So while Armand is snorkeling and actually see so many fish.
Guys, 2 fishes bit me. Oh, look how many's here.
It's so many.
Right there, let me go in.
Wow. Anyway, I have a better program. I have my pineapple. Fresh. Life can't get any better anyway.
Guys, that was my first time snorkeling. Really amazing experience. It's a little bit like when I first went under the water, because you're only supposed to breathe through your mouth and not through your nose. I think so. And yeah, it was a bit of a shock because I wanted like normally straight away like breathe under my nose, like the first instinct. And then yeah, you just have to kind of like calm down and relax and just breathe through your mouth. And yeah, amazing experience. And 2 fishes bit me.
Because you look like pineapple.
Probably. So guys, 3rd destination, Monkey Beach out of the way, Viking Cave out of the way, and the 3rd destination is
Phileh lagoon. This is crazy. This is mind-blowing water.
Look at this,
like
guys.
This color of water. eat something. Guys, look at the water. Look at this water. Is this real? Ask the captain.
And now guys, especially for you, here is an atomic bomb in Phileh lagoon.
Like we made so many shots on camera, I mean with the phones, and took so many pictures of us and videos for the social media. Absolutely stunning place. Like Phileh lagoon, it's for me top one.
Yeah.
But Phileh lagoon, this is absolute dream. Like I was always dreaming to see this place.
I mean the water, the color of the water is just crazy. Like. Yeah, so this was your dream to come here?
Yeah, I said already that they witnessed me again to having dreams come true. So yeah, this water, I want to live here. This is just incredible.
Yeah guys, the water is too beautiful. Banana tastes like bubble gum.
Right?
That's how good bananas in Thailand is. It tastes literally like bubble gum.
Oh, it's out, it's out.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed my atomic bomb I did it in the water for you.
Yeah, that was only for you.
Very good. Absolutely love like chips.
Wow.
If you like chips, this is amazing.
Wow.
So guys, we made it to
Maya Bay.
Maya Bay.
That's the most one of the most popular.
Yeah,
but it's closed.
It's closed for tourists, so you can only you know come here on the boat. You can see right behind me.
Beautiful.
It's closed. There's no people there.
Yeah.
So guys, Maya Bay is the famous bay where the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio was made. This is that beach. Famous Maya Bay. So yeah, amazing.
No, we love it. The beach looks absolutely amazing, like the sand and everything behind us. So it's sad that we cannot enter, but it's actually closed for whole September, and September is ending.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we a little bit missed it.
We made it to the proper monkey beach.
Look at this girl.
Pineapple for the monkeys, guys.
Guys, do you think it's good pineapple for monkey? I'm not sure. But Armand is gonna try.
The monkey don't attack me, no, for the pineapple. Shoot. It's okay, yeah?
Oh my goodness.
Looks like a family here, guys.
She have blue mouth, like a tongue.
Yeah, because she's eating blueberries, look. She's eating blueberries.
She has blue mouth.
So guys, there's a girl literally that got bitten on her hand.
From the monkey?
No, literally a monkey bit her hand. She got bitten. It didn't penetrate the skin, so her teeth didn't break the skin. So that's
which is
different. When it breaks the
important.
skin, that's
that can
connected
be
with the blood already.
Yeah.
So that's when you can get infections.
Yeah, no, she will
I
be
just said to her, if you feel like shit tomorrow, then you need to go to the doctor.
Yeah, exactly.
The tour is finished. We did a 3-hour tour. For both of us, 2 people cost 1,800 baht. We'll attach the link of the company that we purchased off. Very good reviews on that company. And yeah guys, I think that's the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed it, guys, we surely did enjoy shooting for you.
It was incredible.
Yeah, really incredible.
Phileh lagoon, top one. Love you guys.
But yeah guys, we really appreciate you all. As always, thank you for watching. We love you so much. Make sure you subscribe. share this video with other people, and yeah, we'll see you in the next episode.